Here's an assembly video for the City Special Express. This is the PHLster J-frame or LCR City Special, assembled with an express faceplate. You'll need your faceplate and belt. Obviously, I have the leg leash not attached currently just because it gets in the way and gets tangly. You'll need your holster shell, a mod wing with the small E-mod insert installed, and 2 eyelets in the holes of the mod wing, because mod wings always get eyelets. You will need 2 half-inch screw posts that will come through from the back, 2 1-inch long flathead truss screws. These are longer than the standard express screws because the City Special Express assembly takes 4 3/16 rigid spacers, not just 2. So the order of the hardware stack is: start with your faceplate, drop your 1-inch screws through the holes. I cover them with my finger, turn it on the side, and then I'm going to put my first pair of 3/16 spacers on there. Keeping my mod wings in place, I'm going to tip this mod wing, my eyelets in place in the mod wing, tip the mod wing up on its side, then 2 more 3/16 spacers, and then that lines up on the eyelet holes in the holster shell, and then you can just give a turn or 2 to your screw post to get them started, and then tighten that all down from the front. I usually put the leg leash on last just so it's not in my way. And so your total stack will be holster shell, 3/16 spacer, mod wing, eyelet in the mod wing, then another 3/16 spacer, then your faceplate, then your screw.